Today I'm going to show you how to whiten your teeth at home with ease. It's natural, it's effective, and it's really cheap. Only costs a few dollars, and all you're going to need is some baking soda and some 3% hydrogen peroxide, both of which are only a few bucks. You can buy at your local grocery store or drugstore. I've been using this method for about 20 years, and about every 3 months I'll do this treatment, and it revitalizes my teeth, brings back the whiteness that I'm after, and it's just like I said, effective, easy, and all natural solution. I used to try to use white strips because those are really popular, but I have really sensitive teeth and I couldn't use those, so I was looking for alternative methods, stumbled upon this, and it really works. So let's jump right into it. Okay, first thing you want to do is get a bowl and a tablespoon measuring cup and do a tablespoon of baking soda and a tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. This is a 50-50 1-to-1 ratio. Put it in like so and just mix it up thoroughly. Okay, after you have mixed it thoroughly, you'll notice it kind of begins to be like a paste almost. That's where you want it. And I just take my toothbrush, soak it in there, and begin brushing my teeth. Now, a lot of people don't like the taste of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. I actually don't even think it produces any taste personally, but so I just do it this method. If you do need a little bit of taste or flavoring, you can take a lemon, cut it in half, squeeze a little bit of lemon in there, or add lemon juice. But like I said, I just soak my toothbrush in it and begin brushing my teeth. Now, because the front of your teeth are what really show when you smile, I usually concentrate more on the front of my teeth when I'm brushing. But you're going to want to do your whole mouth with this. Okay, and then after you're done brushing your teeth for about 2 minutes, you're just going to want to rinse your mouth thoroughly. That's all there is to it. Now, the first time you do this, you'll notice your teeth will probably respond and it'll be 1 or 2 shades whiter. It really works quickly. And if you want to do this method, every other day for about a week, your teeth will be several shades whiter. It really does work. Now, this is not something, a method or a protocol that you want to do, every day, because your teeth might get sensitive to the baking soda, and it's just not that good for your teeth to have baking soda at this dose every day. So if you're going to do this, like I said, I do it about once every 3 months. I'll do it for a week, alternating days, and it just brings back the whiteness in my teeth. So hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like, and good luck on your journey for whiter teeth. This method works. Give it a shot. See ya.